Got to talk about what they're seeing over there, Trey. That is just remarkable images and truly tragic situation.
It really is, and the rainfall rates that they've seen with this system, this is not a tropical system. Normally you'd see something like that with a landfalling tropical storm or hurricane, but this was just a regular thunderstorm complex. We see these all the time. In meteorology, we call this a mesoscale convective complex or mesoscale convective system, and you can see how this evolved starting late Thursday night across the Texas Hill Country. You see how it's just swirling that persistent area of low pressure, giving off the heat and then generating that thunderstorm complex. Now, this interacted with some incredible amounts of moisture in the atmosphere, and that led to some intense and incredible rainfall rates. And the spin from that system is still generating heavy rain this morning northwest of Austin. These blue polygons you see on the map, those are flash flood emergencies that are in effect right now because of how much rain has fallen just within the last few hours. And you look at the rainfall totals across this region, the 24-hour radar estimate, look at that total there northwest of Austin. There have been areas that have seen upwards of 10 to 20 inches of rain. That is nearly half a year's worth of rain that has fallen in some of these areas, and that water is draining down these river sheds, the Guadalupe River, the Colorado River as well. Big problems in that part of the state, and unfortunately things are just not looking better for them at the moment. Now, as we look back here in Pittsburgh this morning, we've got smoke and haze from fireworks in place across our area this morning. You can see that hovering near the ground. There's not a lot of wind out and about to mix this up. Our temperatures are sitting in the mid to upper 50s to low and mid 60s with areas of code orange to code red air quality still in place across Allegheny County. That extends northwest up toward the Newcastle, Butler area as well, Hermitage. So if you have respiratory issues or anything like that, you may want to stay indoors until we start to see this clear up in the next couple of hours. Later today, temperatures do work their way back into the upper 80s to near 90. A southwest wind will start to bring in that hotter air this afternoon. So a very warm afternoon, above normal temperatures expected with partly cloudy skies, maybe a very low chance of an isolated storm off to the north and west. We'll clear out tonight. Temperatures will drop back into the mid and upper 60s, so another warm start for tomorrow, and then we'll likely add on a few degrees with a southwesterly wind in place tomorrow afternoon. 93 the high in Pittsburgh, upper 80s to near 90 area wide. And then you'll notice as we head into Sunday night and Monday, we'll start to bring in a little bit of cloud cover. That's as moisture works its way back in ahead of a chance for some rain and storms on Monday. As far as heat indices go, the next couple of days, notice the heat index is not too far off from the actual air temperature. In the low to mid 90s today, will be near 95 tomorrow, and that's because we're not expecting it to be as humid compared to that heat wave we had a couple of weeks ago. But still, if you do get sensitive to the heat, if you are one that can get heat illness, make sure you stay indoors during the hottest parts of the day the next couple of days. Showers and thunderstorms will develop as we head into Monday afternoon. That's as a weak cold front moves in from the north and west. We're not expecting widespread activity, but some locally heavy downpours, gusty winds will be possible. Following that, our temperatures will drop back into the mid 80s as we head into the middle part of next week.